Hello everyone. This video thumbnail Air Astana baggage allowance. Air Astana is the Kazakhstan based airlines. So checked baggage free allowance, cabin fare free checked baggage. Business class 2 pieces 32 kg per each. Premium economy and shipping economy 2 pieces up to 23 each. Economy classes 1 pieces 23 kg. Economy basis no free checked baggage. Baggage size 158 centimeter. So cabin baggage free allowance. So carry on basic economy and premium economy 1 cabin bag up to 8 kg, size 56 into 45 into 25 centimeter. Business class cabin bag is up to 8 kg, some size limit above. Additional allow item: handbag, laptop bag, umbrella, baby food or folding stroller. So thank you.